Presenting Aquaguard 360, a smart autonomous sewer monitoring and safety system designed to reduce human risk and improve urban sanitation management. This demonstration shows how the robot operates inside real sewer environments and continuously monitors dangerous conditions. Here the robot is safely deployed into the sewer line. It is built to operate in confined, dark and hazardous environments where human entry is extremely risky. Once deployed, the robot moves smoothly through the sewer system, maintaining balance and direction while performing real-time sensing. Now the gas detection system becomes active. The robot continuously monitors hydrogen sulfide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and other harmful gases. These gases are extremely dangerous and can cause instant collapse or serious health damage. At high concentration levels, in this scenario, high levels of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide are detected and a safety alert is generated immediately. Next, high concentrations of hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide are identified, making the area unsafe for manual sewer cleaning. All gas data is visualized, using real-time charts helping authorities understand the severity and trend of contamination. The system also monitors water quality conditions including pH levels, acidity, basicity and contamination intensity. Here extreme acidic conditions are detected, which may indicate industrial chemical discharge or polluted wastewater. Similarly, extreme basicity levels are identified, which can corrode pipelines and damage sewer infrastructure. The robot also detects open or uncovered manholes, helping prevent accidents, especially during rain or low visibility conditions. All collected data is transmitted to a dedicated mobile application. The mobile application displays real-time sensor data, gas levels, water quality parameters, alert notifications and live location tracking for quick and informed decision-making. This system reduces the need for human entry into sewers, improves response time and enhances overall safety. Aquaguard 360 aims to protect lives, modernize sewer management and build safer, smart cities.